Hey guys, it's your girl Kai and I'm back with another Imvu video. And yeah, I'm back with another Imvu video. Yes, another upload. We got so excited. I read the comment, somebody commented, one person commented on my last video, and she said, "I'm so happy that you're back," and I'm just like happy that you guys are happy that I'm back and stuff. Like, it really means a lot for me. Like, somebody actually cares. So yeah guys, so I'm back on another Imvu video. And what I want you guys to do is comment down below what video you think I should do next on. Like what game I should play, or what, what I should do next in my video. And yeah guys. So first, as always, we're going to change our outfits as we do, like I said, always. And let's see what we're going to wear. Okay. Let's see what we're going to wear. And I actually thank you guys for watching my videos, because it means a lot. But for real, thank you guys for watching my videos, for real. And I like this, but them shoes don't go with it. Them shoes don't go with it, but I just find them shoes don't go with it either. So I don't know why you try them on. Well, actually, I made you try them on. I don't know what you was thinking. Okay, I guess we're gonna be, Miss Hottie today. With that on. Yes, Miss Hottie. That's her new name, Miss Hottie. No, Miss Hottie can handle on that. Oh, Miss Hottie, you want some? Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. For real, that's cute. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Hit around. I'm good. Lipstick. So let's try on this. Let's try something different. Okay, but we're just gonna keep it, as the usual. And we probably gonna do that in my next video. So yeah, like if you want to do it in this video, yeah. Okay, I got all that on. Okay. So yeah guys, if you want, okay, I'm gonna save this right here because I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, so I added like a little sparkle and like a little queen thing, because she's a queen. And so I'm gonna just save it. Okay. Okay, so let's go to chat now. Get something different. Okay. So the chat thing went low or anything. Something was going crazy or something like that. I don't know what was going on over there. So we're going to a chat room. Let's go to Tide Pods because that's just something I just want to go. I don't know why. Okay, what is going on here? What the? She has a little body with, I don't know what the freak you want to call this. What the? What the? Oh my word. Okay, whatever. Oh. I'm gonna say weird. No, I'm not gonna say though. I'm gonna do this. Like, what are they talking about? Y'all, so lame. Look up. I don't even know what they're talking about, and this camera is getting on my nerves. Getting on my last nerves with it. Cause I done forgot how to work this. I said y'all so lame, and then she kept on with their conversation. Bye, because that was so freaking boring. So let's go to bad habits. Let's go there. See what they have. Oh no, let's go to our favorite. You know what I'm talking about? The hair salon we went to on my last video. Okay, I'm gonna say need a makeover. It is AP. Ah! Need. Oh, somebody said okay. Somebody said okay. I forgot to have to do it. Dog hustle. Please don't lag on me, Sam. Why you gonna do this to me? Okay. Go down. Come over here. Who said it? Oh. Ooh. Okay. I see me. Oh, guys, I found out that, you know, that stuff I said, that I don't know, I don't remember that being in my inventory thing, whatchamacallit. Guys, I gotta get my words together. In my dress up thing, and I think those was some gifts from Imvu. So yeah. What the? I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say me. But who was she talking to? What the? Don't know my whereabouts. My homies are telling me. Okay, she just left me for no reason. I need my nails done. I need my nails done. I need my nails done. Like, who? What are y'all doing? Like, y'all supposed to be on your job. Don't y'all get paid? Not actually, but yeah. She said, okay. Come over here. Okay, Queen Babe, come to me. Where you at? Where are you? Don't know my whereabouts. Come on. Came on. What the freak? What the freak? I'm gonna say, I'm here. Like, what is she talking about? And first of all, you're not even in. I want the Nicki Minaj inch. Okay, what do you want your nails to look like? Uh, I want the color pink. And but not that. Let's see. Like, I'm like really inside of this girl. She said okay. I'm hoping that she said okay. But okay. Just tell me when you're done. Wait, what? Guess yucky 149. I thought you're supposed to be doing my nails. You're not on your job. I supposed to be right here. You're supposed to be right here. Don't you supposed to be over here? Okay, whatever. I guess she thinks that we supposed to stand on top of each other. And if you guys want to add me, it is Queen B 101. It's right here where my mouse is at. Queen B 1. I said 101. It's Queen B 100, lowercase o. And yeah, I just need some friends to dress up with. Like, I don't have any friends. So yeah, guys. Okay, Queen B, you're done. Thanks. I'm not paying either. I'm really not paying. How much? What a freak to try it. Oh, there you go. Just got my nails done. What the freak? $20. Gives money. Enter that, please. Thank you. Okay. So, I just got my nails done. I just got my makeup done also. And yeah, so it's like I feel pretty on Imvu. So, comment down below what you guys think my next video should be. And yeah, and like I said, my name on Imvu is Queen with the V in it. BEE 100. So please add me so I can play with you guys, you know. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.